Sitting here on a beautiful Sunday, probably afternoon right now, day in Chamela Bay, Mexico. And there's the trash boys and their local trash boys in their kayaks come by to pick up the trash. We usually give them some cookies and some trash, but then we decided to give them some pesos instead because I like the cookies for myself. Anyway, along comes 10 shrimp boats. Now, go figure why, is the question. Why are these shrimp boats in here? I started thinking about weather. Maybe they're ducking something. We got grid files yesterday. Didn't show anything in particular. So, I guess it's not probably weather. Maybe it's just a shrimp day. I don't know. So, these are the boats. And at this time in Anchorage, and I'm moving over here to get this other one through the shade screen. And there's a couple more over there. And I'm writing a blog right there. And Debbie's out here.
Barcos. Aqui?
Alright, that's it.
Para El Ciudad?